Shirot Gaji, let's learn Irish. Is Misha Arge, agus topic na seachtain inniu, Cúrsaí Oibre, work. Agus seoíd na Focail agus na Frásaí. Ambition, Uaillmhian, busy. Gnóthach, no gríthe, Brainshéir Gnóthach. Certificate, Teastas, dedication or enthusiasm. Díograis, to earn money. Airgead a hiú. Enjoyable, Taitneamhach. Exam, Scrúdú. Full-time, Lánaimseartha. Job, post. Overtime, Ragobair. Qualification, Cáilíocht. Remote work, Cianobair. Research, Taighde. Rewarding, Tairbheach. Salary, Tuarastal. Training, Oiliúint. Do you work remotely? I mean to a Cianobair. I enjoy the job and get a lot out of it. Bainim taitneamh agus tairbhe as an bpost, no as an bpost. Work is busy. Bíonn an obair gríthe, no bíonn an obair crotha, Brainshéir Gnóthach. I have a long commute. Bíonn turas fada chun na Oibre agam. What if you had your dream job? Bpost de bhéine agat. There are many trainings and exams I undertake as part of the work. Is Oiliúint no Scrúdú a thugam faoi mar chuid den obair. I like my job. Is mailim a post. This is work which involves a lot of skill. Is obair sin a bhfuil an scíl ag bunsléthe. She has real ambition and dedication. Tá an Oilimhian agus Díograis. You are at risk of burning yourself out. Tá tú an bhfuil tú héanach réigiú. A certificate and some experience are required for the job. Teastas agus taithneamh den bpost. Bígí páirte a Airgead. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.